Right, I was going to fit the side window myself, but then I thought, I don't know, my mate Adrian will fit it for me. So I'm en route now to go and see him and get it fitted. So I'll take you along with us and show you how it's done. I'll see you when I get there. So I've just landed at Vanglass. Nice cup of tea off Lucy. These are some of the other windows that you can get here. You've got your T5, T6, Merc Sprinter, got universal ones, Ford Custom, Crafter, Citroen Dispatch, Expert, Vivaro, they're all the same on there, and Ford Transit 14 onwards. And I assume we can get other glass as well. Just ask, give them a ring, come and see them. Got a big hole in my van. So this is the new, what do you call it, Lucy?
Integra View in Windows.
Oh, hang on a minute. So this is the what?
Integra View.
Integra View. Oh. So, can you do it when it's like this? Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's blackout blind and fly screen. Now these are exclusive to Vanglass in Carlisle, so if you want them, give Lucy a call or call in and she'll sort it out. And don't forget, if you use Crafter Boys, you'll get 10% off. So as you've just seen, he's cut a big hole in my van.
Let's hope it's not too big.
It's like going shopping with the wife, this, isn't it? You can to get one product and you leave with someone else.
what's the benefit of this trim again?
See the inner skin, see where you've got the dimples in the inner skin, the trim will fold around the dimples so it's nice and smoother, whereas the other end,
I can show you the other style, it's really
it's
hard.
not as supple, it's
so
a lot
it's like
harder.
it's actually a rubber rather than like a hard plasticky one, which I can show you.
Alright.
But yeah, we've got this one, then we've got like a thinner one as well, because it doesn't work on every vehicle. So this one works on, this is crafters, isn't it?
Yeah, crafters, sprinters, customs.
Yeah, and then we're developing a smaller
also-
one that will work on transporters. I think this one's too big for a transporter.
It doesn't sit well on a transporter.
Yeah, so it'll probably the smaller one will fit go on caddies and transporters and things like that.
Yeah, boxes and that doesn't sit well on a boxer really. You know.
Not like giving it at all.
So this is what you normally use on
That's actually a 12 now.
various vans, but
Let's do this one. What is what you would normally use on a crafter, which is a very bad. It's bent. Can't show you.
has it got metal in it?
Yeah.
Oh, so it grips onto the...
Yeah, but it's really, really tough. Whereas that one, because it's soft,
'cause it goes around all the little bits and bobs.
and it's just a lot nicer.
Is that it
finished.
there?
Yeah. Is that the new stuff?
Yes, yeah, multi-trim, yeah.
And obviously, if you carpet in, you can tuck the carpet underneath it, and it covers it.
yeah.
Whereas with these, it tends to fray out, doesn't it?
Aye, that's the one that you normally use on a crafter. That one there, 8mm.
Can't really see the end of it, can you? But, yeah.
So, crafter, again, customs, transits,
And that's your transport one.
transporters, a few things, aye.
It's the 12mm, that's the largest one we do. But as I say, we are developing this style
Yeah.
to suit the transport.
What's that called again?
Multi-trim.
Multi-trim, that's it. Multi-trim. Oh, so there you go. Amazing that that's all that holds the window, you know.
It is, yeah. Obviously, without the primer, then we look for that. I mean, a lot of people that will fit things like that come in and go, oh, my windows fell out. And then you can see what they've done underneath. No wonder.
Right, that's my van window in, look. Looking kind of cool. I'll show you the inside in a minute, but they don't just do crafter glass. If we go in here, we've got
some windows.
we've got quite a few windows in here.
And just one of the units. This is our flat pack corner department.
And they're the flat back corners.
They come in little flats. Cameron likes making them, don't you, Cameron? He loves making them. It's his favourite thing. He stands and does origami and all the packers. And we've got cardboard around all the filling spaces. It's all right round the other side. All the different size boxes. And we make all these telescopic boxes. We have 3 different sizes of boxes that are obviously it's like a triple wall card, folded and folded and folded and folded. And when we pack it inside and outside, and isn't it quite ridiculous? None of the carriage is insured.
All right.
So, you know, if anything that goes, it's our problem. If it gets broken, it's just, it's got broken. And they don't say sorry, they just break it and just...
So what do you have to
Just have to replace it.
replace it?
Yeah. So we have to make sure that we're putting it in the boxes. The boxes cost more than the carriage we charge.
Bloody hell.
So, and it's just because people wouldn't pay it. You know,
People don't realise either, do they?
Well, it cost us over £25 to send a box, and we charge. Well, currently we charge £20 to send a box, and people complain about that. But it's costing me money to do it. But this is just a 1 unit. You see, that's all the little cardboard corners. And as I say at the back,
Jesus.
you see the back storage, which is all just cardboard. It goes all the way right to the back of cardboard. And that's just for making all the crates up. This is our overspill.
More glass.
This is back doors and cardboard boxes and big windows and bulk stuff. A lot of this will go out in just full crates.
Yeah.
It's like auto sleepers will take that, or somebody likes AB race cruisers. They'll take crates of that.
I'll say if you want to do that again, I'll just put a price ticket on the front of the motorbike. I'll scan it round.
For sale.
As you can see, we don't have many feet up here.
Well, this is the Merc corner.
The Mercedes corner. And there's another one.
More glass.
This is a lot of more on-board stuff in here. A lot of the more obscure green glasses and stuff that you have to buy in 50s, but you only sell two a year.
Right.
That's a bit of a problem. So I end up with a lot of glass. So we've got like tens of thousands of glasses, and you don't sell majority of it. You maybe have 80% of the glass you sell. You have, you just have to have it. Just because the people don't want this, and this. Oh, and I need this as well. And if you don't have that, which the one you never sell, they'll just go, I'll buy the rest from someone else.
Yeah.
But this is all labelled up, and it's all everything's barcoded. Everything comes in crates on their foreign codes, and then we apply our own barcodes.
You change it to.
So we check it, put our own codes on. Then it's logged into the system, and then it's logged into there. So when we go to pack it, the packing system tells us where it is. We can go straight to it. You scan it, you scan the item, that's the item you're getting. So unless you scan this item and pick this item, you're getting the right one all the time.
Yeah,
Or that's unless we've put all the labels, so left hand one's on the right hand.
Yeah.
It does happen.
I bet that's interesting.
And then you've got more down here as well. It just goes on and on.
Jesus.
You don't need all this at once though, so there'll be stuff down there that we'll use now and again, so. But this is our problem at the moment, we've run out of space. So we need more stock, and we've nowhere to put any more stock. We've got 2 containers outside full of stuff as well.
Bloody hell.
And more deliveries coming in.
Well, if anybody's got a glass fetish, come and see Adrian, he's got
Come
plenty
and
of
see
it.
us, yeah. The best one was when the lads came round and they said, what are you doing with all them tellies? Them sort of lads. So we feared we were going to get broken into. We did have to say, they're not tellies. that was funny.
So, if you do want a window in your van,
We might have it.
he's probably got it. And it's not just crafters. What else have you got, Adrian? You've got T5, T6s, all the usual
Yeah, sprinters,
suspects, sprinters,
LDVs,
boxes,
Iveco dailies,
Ducatos, all that, carry on.
Peugeot boxes, everything you can think of.
Everything.
Really. Anything and everything really. Iveco dailies, you name it.
And, like you said before, you also sell it and send it.
Oh yeah.
So check them out, look. There they are up there. You see that? And that, and that. And Crafter Boys 10. You get 10% off if you want to side one in like mine or whatever. But I'll show you mine inside and how it works, the sliding thing and the the blinds and the fly screen integrated, yeah.
We're playing with a name for them. We're going to call them Integra View.
And you can't get them
Sounds
anywhere else.
cool.
You can
No.
only get them here. So
can't.
give them a shout. Give Lucy a shout and she'll sort it out. Right, so we're inside the van now, and this is the new window. Has it got a name, Adrian? Or?
We're going to call it, we decided on Integra View because we thought it was integrated.
Yeah.
We just thought it was a good idea.
Yeah.
Ask ChatGPT, to be fair, and it said that. So. No, it came out with a lot of others. We all liked Integra View.
Right, so we've got the slider, which
It's very easy to open.
very easy to open, as you can see. So there's the slider.
Opposite locks. It is just a single position locking.
Yeah, yeah. And then we've got a fly screen, goes all the way across like that.
Yeah. But it's sealed all the way in.
Yeah, all sealed.
No gaps. And then
We've got
a blackout blind.
Blackout blind. And they, like I said earlier, I think I said it earlier, that these are exclusive to, can't see, it's for that bloody light, to Vanglass.
Yeah.
So if you want them, give them a shout and he'll sort it out.